Hello guys, today's video is about how to make hand sanitizer at home. So I'm taking aloe vera juice. You can even go for aloe vera gel. So take 1/3 portion of aloe vera juice . I'm gonna take isopropyl alcohol, which is of 70%, but make sure you use 70% or above 70% of isopropyl alcohol. It is a tropical antiseptic and sanitizer. So I'm taking 2/3 portion of isopropyl alcohol and mix them well. Taking some essential oil for fragrance purpose. Just pour 5 to 6 drops of essential oil, but just make sure it is skin friendly and even it is optional, so guys don't worry. I'm gonna take one empty container and filling that with your funnel to avoid any wastages. So yeah guys, that's it. Your sanitizer is all ready to apply on your skin.